Hi students of class 12 CBSE. Here I am with part 2 of the Tiger King. As I told you that the astrologers had predicted that he would be killed by the 100th tiger. The Tiger King's real name was Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, the king of Pratibandhpuram. And he knew that in order to save himself, he had to kill the 100 tigers. He had to kill the 100 tigers. As I told you, the state of Pratibandhpuram had many forests and they had many tigers, but he wanted to complete the quota of hunting 100 tigers. So tiger hunting was banned in the forests of Pratibandhpuram. The tiger hunting was banned in the forests of Pratibandhpuram. Why? Because he did not want other hunters to kill the tigers, because he was eyeing 100 tigers. So tigers were celebrating that we have only one danger. The danger was Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, the Tiger King. And he started hunting tigers, tiger after tiger. But it was not trouble free. At times he missed the target and he had to fight with tigers bare-handed. But he overpowered them and killed them. It was not trouble free, it was a challenge. Then another trouble came. A British officer, high-ranking British officer, expressed his desire to hunt in the forests of Pratibandhpuram. Actually, the fellow was more interested in having a photograph with the dead tiger. He would stand over the dead tiger and be photographed. But the Tiger King knew that if he permitted him to hunt a tiger, then the floodgate would open, all the British officers would come. So he strictly told his Diwan to tell the secretary of the officer that no hunting is permitted and no photograph, nothing. But because India was under the British rule, if he refused a high-ranking British officer from hunting or having a photograph with a dead tiger, there will be trouble for the state. The state might be annexed. If he did not allow a high-ranking British officer to hunt in Pratibandhpuram, then there will be trouble for him, because India was under the British rule. His state may be annexed by the British government or may be occupied by the British government. They send even army. So the Diwan suggested to him that do something to humor the officer, to appease him, because he was angry. The king Jang Jang Bahadur had not allowed him to hunt or have a photograph with a dead tiger. Actually, officer had offered him that king better hunt the tiger. I just want a photograph with the dead tiger. But the Tiger King knew that once he allowed this, the other officers would come and then there will be no end of it, and his quota of 100 tigers will never be fulfilled. But because he had annoyed the high-ranking British officer, so he wanted to please him. Actually, a very famous British jeweler in Kolkata was asked to send some samples of 50 diamond rings. A famous British jeweler in Kolkata was asked to send 50 samples of very costly diamond rings for the wife of the officer. They sent 50 samples of very costly diamond rings to her, but she was a greedy woman. Actually, the Tiger King expected, the Diwan expected that she would choose one or two, but she kept all. And the bill was 3 lakhs. In those days, it was a huge money. But the king was happy that by paying 3 lakhs, he had saved his kingdom as well as he had saved his tigers, and he would be able to complete the quota of 100 tigers, and then he would be free from the predictions made by the astrologer. He would be able to disprove what the astrologers had predicted. He would be able to prove the astrologers wrong. So students, I have given you the part 2. I am sure you have understood everything, and please write in the comment section. Don't forget. Have a wonderful day.